Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, today we are going to solve a very important problem from module 4 vector space. So the question is determine whether W equals to A comma B comma C oblique A plus B plus C equals to 0 is a subspace of RQ or not. So to check whether W is a subspace of RQ, we verify three subspace conditions. First one is zero vector test, second one is close under addition, and third one is close under scalar multiplication. So we check it step by step. This is solution. So first we check zero vector test. First condition is zero vector test. This is our step first, in which we are checking our first condition, which is zero vector test. So in zero vector test, our RQ is equals to, in zero vector test, RQ is where A equals to 0, B equals to 0 and C equals to 0. Then put all the values in this. It becomes A plus B plus C equals to 0. So this is 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals to 0. So 0 equals to 0. So our 0 vector belongs to our W. It means 0 vector belong to W. This is condition satisfied. Now move to our second condition, which is close under addition. Step 2 is, this is our second condition, which is close under addition. So in close under addition, let U equals to A1 comma B1 comma C1 and V equals to A2 comma B2 comma C2. We are let U and V, which always belongs to W, which is given in the question. A1 plus B1 plus C1 equals to 0 and A2 plus B2 plus C2 equals to 0. Checking the condition under addition. So what is our sum of component? Sum of components, which is A1 plus A2, B1 plus B2 and C1 plus C2. This is the component with respect to A, B and C. So A1 plus A2 plus B1 plus B2 plus C1, which is always equals to 0, and another one is A plus B plus equals to 0. So this is equals to 0. So this satisfies our close under addition. This condition is also satisfied. Now move to our third condition, which is close under scalar multiplication. So in step 3, our third condition is close under scalar multiplication. In step 3, our third condition is closure under scalar multiplication. So let U equals to A comma B comma C. This is also belongs to W, where W equals to A plus B plus C equals to 0. So for any scalar K, we can multiply K by U. It means for any scalar K, K into U equals to KA1, KA, KB and KC. This is for our scalar product. Now we checking for sum. So sum equals to Ka plus Kb plus Kc, which is equals to, we can take it K common, it becomes A plus B plus C. Hey, this is nothing but 0. So this is also equals to 0. So close under scalar multiplication also satisfy here. So close under scalar multiplication also satisfy here. So since all the three space conditions are satisfied, so W is subspace of RQ. So we can say it in conclusion, since all three subspace conditions are satisfied, where W is subspace of RQ. So like this you have to solve in the examination. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.